Cole is resting. Aren't you, buddy? You got that leg out. Does that feel good on your owie, on your knee? Yeah, you resting? Oh. That's good as long as you don't jump up. Tell everybody hi. Stretching. Oh, that feels good. He's going to go in his cage and lay down while Mama takes a bath. He's such a good boy. Can you get in there? Mama help? There's your cage. Well, we've been doing pretty good so far. He pretty well carries himself. He's doing what the doctor said, except he has jumped up and down off the bed and the chair. Let's see, about half a dozen times now. He doesn't sleep well in his cage at night with the cage door shut. He's kept me up for 3 nights straight because he bangs on the door of the cage. Doesn't cry, he just bangs on the door. So I got the water bottle out and I sprayed him in the face, and that helps. I think tonight might be the first night that he sleeps through the night in the cage, so he doesn't jump down off the bed in the middle of the night. I miss sleeping with him. I miss having him snuggle me. But we'll get through that. As long as he's alive and well and not in pain. They gave him inflammation drugs, so he seems to act like he's not in pain, but you know how pets are. They don't want to show their pain. But he's doing pretty good. We don't go walking. We just go outside and go potty and then come back in. I carry him up and down the steps. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. Thank you, everyone, for all your thoughts and prayers. You know, he's just going on 13, so I don't want to lose him yet. I'm just thankful he's still with me. Thank you, everybody. I really appreciate your love. Until tomorrow, have a great night.